What's going on, diamonds and gents? This is Miss Trey That Gym, and you are watching Gym Spot TV. This is about to be a Basketball Wives LA Season 3, Episode 7 recap. Baby, I had to start it off with the shades, baby, for all the shade that took place on that episode. Let's get on into it. So, here you go. You got messy Jackie getting with Drea to let her know what Miss Brandy had to say about her. Now, the issue that I have with all of this is this. Jackie, why do you seem like you're an episode from Mean Girls? You like 50-something years old, acting like you're in high school. Baby, I'm gonna need for you to work that out and get that together, because that ain't cute, not at all. So she took it upon herself to let Drea know what Miss Brandy said about her. Now, Brandy thing is, I met you 5 weeks ago. We not friends. Okay, granted. But you should have known not to say that to Messy Jackie, because Messy Jackie was going to make that way more than what it was. Moving on. So, child, speaking of Jackie, Jackie takes it upon herself to go talk to British about the weekend. Now, British thing was, I really like British this episode. Now, I must say, I gotta retract. British, you are stepping into your grown girl panties. And Miss Trey That Gym is loving you for that. British was like, you know what? Even though I'm kind of mad that y'all didn't want me to go, but y'all didn't want me to go for the same reason to what you end up doing. Now, she says she's trying to work on her temper. I hope you do, girlfriend. But what it seems like to me is British was really mad at Sunday and Jackie for not inviting her to this mean girl trip, if you will. Okay? Moving on. So Jackie, you know, she got to put 100 on 10. She didn't tell the whole story. All you heard was the fact of what Sunday did to Miss Drea, and you didn't hear about the black eye part. Now, Miss Drea is feeling some kind of way since Jackie has given her the news about Brandy. So she's trying to get all the girls together in a way that is not normal. Nothing to sit down, no drinking, making them run for their life literally with some zombies or whatever. But they don't know what's about to transpire. So Drea meets up with British to find out if British would like to come, you know, and kind of make sure British is not an enemy, if you will. But I still got the shades on, baby, because Miss Drea kind of say she wants Sunday to come, well, not really wanting Sunday to come. You get what I'm saying? So Drea meets up with Miss Malaysia. They begin to talk about, you know, what transpired. And Drea like, listen, while I was still in diapers, Sunday was one of them ho Merry Christmas from way back whence, baby. She was one of them from way back whence. So let me just let you know, boo, me stripping is an open book. Everybody know I was checking that A for cash, okay? So let me just put that on out there for you, all right? But everybody wasn't aware of the fact Sunday was an old school ho Merry Christmas from way back whence, honey. Moving on. So they get to the thing. Everybody kind of seemed to be kind of like, what Drea got us into? What's really going on? Drea, what you doing? So Malaysia, you know, got an attitude, because Malaysia like, I'm looking fly, I'm looking pretty, and you about to have me in mud? I don't play that. But she kind of ended up warming up to the fact, because she was like, you know what, let's do it, it'll be fun. I'm shocked out of everybody. Sunday was game for it. She was really game for it, which further let me know that Sunday was just hating. You know what I'm saying? And then she didn't realize that she would actually like Drea as much as she do. So that further let me know she was just hating, throwing shade, honey. Moving on. So Jackie sits down with Drea. Well, before this happened, Jackie sits down with Chantel to tell her what Drea said about her. And she was putting 100 on 10 once she, you know what, right now with me and with Jackie, I think that Jackie is the one that's trying to keep the mess started. And people like that, people don't like to be around often. So I'm gonna see how long her run gonna be on Basketball Wives LA. I think this might be her last season. How you doing? Because after a while, everybody catches on to the drama. Everybody catches on to who's causing it and the main cause of it. And 9 times out of 10, when the main cause of it end up being discovered, they end up letting them go. Just saying. Moving on. So, i.e. Laura. Moving on. So, here you go. Jackie wants to set up something where basically Drea is getting ambushed by her daughter. So they sitting down, they talking, Wolfpack over here, Wolfpack over here. Needless to say, next episode Drea gonna dig in that tail with Miss Chantel, because she's gonna show up with her man on her shoulder, Mr. Orlando. I am loving to seeing that part. And Jackie, baby, it's gonna backfire in your face. Shade, shade, shade. Okay? So, I hope you liked my recap. That's what stuck out to me. Y'all know how I do it. Diamonds, you are the toughest material on the earth, ladies, and there's none like you. Gents, you no longer boys when you watch this channel. And to all my dollars, appreciate you, babies. There should be a couple of more videos coming up during the week. What's in my Steve Madden bag, what's in my purse, and my faves, okay? I always keep saying I'm going to do a faves video, never get around to it. So I'm going to do March favorites since I'm only a few days into it. Okay, then. Have joy, love, and being powered in a 2014. You be blessed.